nothing wey we no go see o. Come see papa don give him pikin belle. Hello my beautiful people, you are welcome to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you are doing well. Today is your first time of coming across this channel. Please support your girl. Support your girl by hitting on this subscribe button below. Then you will see a bell. Touch that bell stand for notification bell. Anytime I post a new video, you will be notified. Thank you for joining that subscribe to this channel. May God bless you. Nothing we will not go see for this world though. May I tell you something? Shey you see this period of this kolo of a thing, everybody dey inside, everybody dey indoor, but some papa dey conceive bad things to do with their children wey dey no come see time take go outside go dey kelewa. Dey come talk say na their own children dey wan come dey do kelewa with. This thing wey I wan show una so this na only Nigeria people dey do am. I no know say some of these African countries all of them still dey do am. This man give him pikin wey be 12 years belle. Belle dey 4 months now. Wetin dey wan come do that belle? Wetin dey wan do that papa wey we dey talk? Wetin dey wan do? Government need to show that papa something. They need to talk sense into that father's head. He need to go jail for it. I don't know why some father just decide make they spoil their pikin life. Small girl wey dey come, wey dey grow dey come, you never know wetin God get for am. You decide to just waste that little girl life. As you go dey get affection for your own daughter wey never reach anything. This man, na only God go judge you. I go show una the video when I don talk finish. This story e happen for Congo. They speak French for inside, but some of una wey no understand the French, the thing wey happen be say the papa he don give him pikin belle, 4 months old pregnancy. Never see that kind thing before. Papa go just start dey get one kind love for your old daughter. Whether the pikin small, the pikin grow, you just start dey conceive that kind love for am. As you go get that mind take carry your pikin dey do am kelewaka, you go get that mind dey play with your daughter, dey do am with that kind thing. I no know, sometimes I dey imagine how they take dey conceive this thing for their belle, how they take dey start am. I no know. You just decide to waste that pikin life. You go carry am enter bed dey do kelewawa with am. Now the pikin get belle now. Wetin dey wan do the belle? Na the question wey me dey ask be this. That man need to go jail for it. They need to arrest that father. That evil father, they need to arrest am. May go test small thing for jail. Nothing wey we no dey see for this African men hand. These African men wey be say their head no dey house. Nothing wey we no go see for them. If na man wey him head correct, he no go do that kind thing to him pikin. He no go get one affection for him pikin wey be say he go come to think of carry pikin go bed. This kind of people, they need to reset their brain. That their brain wey be say e no correct, they need to reset am. Government need to show them some way to reset their brain. I know say they still dey see good father. E get one video wey I watch the other day. Mature girl, big girl wey be say e don reach to go out with someone. Papa see am with a guy, he beat am. They use cane dey beat this girl. Everybody even call it us, e don too much. This are responsible father wey be say see pikin with another person. He was so bitter. Not to talk of you. You wan spoil your own child. You wan destroy your own pikin life. As many evil father, as many bad men wey decide to destroy innocent children, na God go destroy una life. Except una change. If not, God go scatter una life for una hand. As una decide to condemn una innocent children life, na so God go condemn una life if una no change. Yes, na cause. Because things dey wey be say good, things dey wey be say no good. When you dey do the good one, you go still know. When you wan do the evil one, you go still know that you decide to do the evil one just to destroy the life of that little girl. All this kind of father wey be say they like to destroy their children, the innocent children life, they need to reset their brain by arresting them, by keeping them in the place they belong, because they don't belong to society. They need to be there where they call am gele, that is inside prison. For there their brain go calm down, they go reset their brain well. Our father go just dey like pikin, like am to that extent wey be say go dey think that kind thing follow am. See the one wey I first show that the Nigeria, that one for happen 3 months old, wetin that one get wey papa go like. This kind thing I think say na only Nigeria dey do that kind thing. I don't know say some this Africa people they still dey do am. But na true, black na black. Black na black, whether you be Congo, you be Sierra Leone, any country where you be, na black be black. I dey surprised for wetin dey happen for Africa, for wetin some papa dey do to their innocent children. I no believe this kind of story dey happen, but now I can't dey believe as I dey see the video every day. I can't dey know say bad father they will be say no wish well for their old daughter, because papa wey wish good for your pikin, you no go condemn the pikin life like this. This kind 12 years, papa don condemn the life, don already condemn am finish. Who wan come marry am after e don grow? Wey the eye wey dem take come dey look the pikin. I go share the video for una, abeg make una watch. After finish watching, make una support your girl, share the video so that some people go know wetin dey happen for the world. People know wetin some men go fit do when that their cassava don stand. Kind people, you as their sister, you go leave your pikin for their hand. Your pikin is safe like that. Person wey no feel for your daughter, let one feel for another man pikin. This one go dey give everybody sense. No be everybody, even na your brother sef, dey leave pikin for, because you no know the length wey you go fit go. I dey do this video, no be say me I just talk, I say me I show people, make dem know say bad thing dey happen. No be all men wey dey call themselves men or wey dey call their papa reach to be that father. Abeg make una share this video. I go show una the video, make una watch am. Here is the video. Please support your girl by sharing. Bye.
Enceintée par son père biologique. Elle a une grossesse de 4 mois. Je vous laisse voir son papa biologique. Il sera là incessamment. Commandant, amène-moi ce papa-là. Il est où? Allez. Ne tape pas. Regarde ici, monsieur, quitte là. Son papa est là. Le monsieur qui a enceinté sa femme et sa fille de 12 ans d'âge. La fille est là. Dada, passez là-bas. Où est-ce que toi, c'est du goût. Toi, c'est du goût. Impossible, incroyable. Ce monsieur mérite la prison.